folks, it's me again. What I got here, stuff I brought to my house. Screwdriver, bring back the gloves, what is this, Blue Point crescent wrench, another Mastercraft crescent wrench, see, and what else, flat screwdriver. I think this is Klein tools. They actually, I tell everybody, if you're buying screwdrivers, go to the electrical section. Klein makes really good screwdrivers. I don't know if they're all still made in the US, but they're really good. These things come in handy. Alpha Exactos. I don't, you don't have to buy this brand, but these things are. I've been using this brand of this style of Exacto blade when I used to work for my father. I think we went through like 10 of these things. I used to cut boxes up in like little pieces. Everybody's like, it won't fit in the bin. I'm like, no, let me cut up. I could flatten everything. Cut in little tiny squares. Recycling people used to bitch all the time. Oh, I think too many small squares. I'm like, well, if you don't like it, I'll throw it in a fucking dumpster. So, but then they used to get different people picking up the recycling every couple of months. So it was a constant bitching session for years and years. This is I don't know what the hell it's for. It's probably for one of my tools here. It's got the little fucking tightening thing you lose. I really like this one. I think I have it on the bench. So yeah, it's my, that's what I brought. Oh, I was doing plumbing with this. I was working on my, what do you call it? I tiled in my tub. So I used this to take the faucet off the little water adapters. And I got one of these, which I know belongs at my house. I think one of my kids lost, or I think the case for this is at the house. I gotta bring this back. What else? Empty box. Ooh, a Keurig box. Yeah. So anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. What am I doing this week? Fixing the bench, surfboard bench, and that's pretty much it. Doing that, actually check the vapor rust. I'll make another video. I'll show you. Of course, everything has to be a new video, because who the hell wants to watch 10 minutes of blah, right? Blah, blah. Anyway, that's me, blah, 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 all the time. So, enjoy. Thanks for watching, and thanks for the 368. It's because of you guys that I'm making videos. I mean, I'd make videos anyway. If I had one subscriber, I'd still make videos, because it's fun. It's fun standing here late at night talking to myself. I'm talking to a goddamn camera. It's funny.